We've been testing Simpson pressure washers for years and have come to appreciate their quality and value. As one of the largest, most vertically integrated gas pressure washer manufacturers in North America, they're getting even better with the new Simpson Pro Series pressure washers. Now, Simpson has been serving professionals for years, so the Pro Series isn't a new category for them. However, there are some differences that make the Pro Series incredibly compelling. One of the things that impresses me about the line is that all of the manufacturing is directly under Simpson's control. The FNA group that makes Simpson pressure washers also manufactures the CRX engines, AAA pumps, hoses, and even the frame itself. Sweetening the deal, these units are designed, engineered, and manufactured in the USA. Starting with the power plant, these CRX engines are designed for heavy-duty professional use. It has all the features that professionals need, including easy starting, reliable performance, and low oil engine shutdown. The team that designed the CRX engines are so confident in their performance that they include a 5-year warranty. Now, these engines aren't just for pressure washers. There are also generators, semi-trash pumps, and chemical pumps that also come with a CRX engine. And when it's time to repower other equipment, these engines are great for that as well. Shifting gears to the pump, the AAA pumps featured on the Pro Series are built for heavy-duty professional use. It's a claim they back with a 5-year pump warranty. Now, these pumps undergo CETA CPC 100 certification for pressure and flow, giving us a tremendous amount of confidence that the rating Simpson give us is exactly what we're going to experience in the field. Now, beyond the durability of the build, they also feature a fully integrated adjustable unloader to help you dial in the pressure the job requires. And putting it all together, Simpson Pro pressure washers come in 3 configurations, starting with 3,500 up to 4,000 PSI and 2.5 gallons per minute up to 3.5 gallons per minute. Each pressure washer comes paired with an industry-leading polyurethane high-pressure hose that's non-marring, 3 times more abrasion resistant than rubber hoses, and manufactured in the USA. You also get a range of nozzles and an ergonomically designed spray gun. And assembly is easy. All you got to do is attach the handle, assemble the wand, add your fuel and oil, and in about 10 minutes, you're ready to go. Now let's take a closer look at each one of these models and what they have to offer. Now this is the PS61374, and it features the CRX 210 engine with 3,500 PSI and 2.5 gallons per minute. Moving over to the middle of the line, the PS61370 has the CRX 225 engine along with 3,700 PSI and 2.5 gallons per minute. The PS61371 is the highest performing model in the series, and it has a CRX 340 engine along with 4,000 PSI and 3.5 gallons per minute. You can find Simpson Pro pressure washers exclusively at Lowe's. And in addition to the 5-year warranties you get on the engine and the pump, the frame also has a 10-year warranty. If you're looking for a professional grade pressure washer that has the performance and reliability you need combined with high value, look no further than the Simpson Pro Series, driven by CRX engines and AAA pumps. Now, if you have any questions or feedback for us, feel free to drop those in the comments below, and as always, thanks for watching.